And right now in the time of AI, here's my biggest recommendation. Do not get attached to something. If you build something and it was great and it was wonderful, awesome, but if you get attached to something, your quote unquote competitor or whoever else is in your market is going to build something way better, because the amount of time it takes to build something better now is zero. So you're going to be always in an innovation curve. And the thing that you once, it took 3 years for it to have that innovation curve from the time that it went up to the time, it's now 6 months. So anytime that you're building something, just know that it's probably going to be gone in a year from now. Like anything that I'm building currently, I know it's going to be obsolete in a year from now. And so a couple of things, your offer and your model has to have that embedded into it. You have to have enough time and resources to be able to innovate in that way. And you got to be really good at not having attachment to what you've built, so that you're like, all right, let me tear that up and let me go to the new thing, and then bring your customers on that journey and make sure that you don't, stiff over your customer. And much like anyone that bought the tools, I gave them the agents for free. Didn't need to do that. The cost, I could have made a lot more money that way, but it would have felt like stiffing over the people that were doing the tools with me. It would have felt wrong. I wouldn't sleep good at night doing that. Right? So the innovation curve going to be different than it's ever been. The way it goes into your offers, totally different. The way that you're going to have to be on the frontier of innovation and kind of R&D, or in my opinion, fuck around and find out, going to be totally, totally, totally different than it's been in the past.